Hello, hello. Okay, now let's talk about how to make a frequency table. Okay, now usually frequency table is used to organize data that you gather, let's say from a survey, which you will be doing a lot of. Okay, so when you do a survey, you either interview people or you look around and you count how many of a certain item you see. Okay, and usually you make a tally. Okay, a tally is just like, putting lines to count, like that's a tally. Now, if you're using your laptop, we can't put the slash and it's going to take a long time for you to put the slash. So just do it in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can make a slash as long as you know it's groups of 5. That's a tally. Okay. After the tally, you count the frequency. Okay. So the frequency is just the total amount of tally marks, okay, which shows, okay, the number of times a value or choice appears. Okay, so it's just counting how many times did the color black appear, or how many times did you see a hitchhiker's thumb, how many times did you see a straight thumb. Okay, so it's just counting. Okay, so once you have that, you have to organize your data. So how do we make a frequency table? Okay, so you need to make your own table. I would like you to use a ruler so that it's nice and neat. Okay, so let's say I decided to survey, okay, year 8A and 8B, okay, 8A and 8B. I decided to survey to ask them what their favorite ice cream, okay, favorite ice cream flavor. Okay, so I survey 8A and 8B and I take a tally. So let's say chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and booger. Ew, nice and salty. Okay, so I tally. So this is my tally. Okay, so this is the tally when we surveyed 8A and B. Now, after the tally, we now are going to put in the frequency. So how many? 5, 10, 10, 13. Okay, 13 people like chocolate, 5 people like vanilla, 15 people like strawberry, and whoa, 20 people like booger flavored. And that's it. That is a very simple frequency table. So I would just like to add one more column, okay, to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so I should have made it a little bit bigger, but never mind. Okay, and let's call this the cumulative frequency. Okay, frequency is abbreviated F. Okay, so what this does is it allows you to easily total the frequency, to get the total number of people you surveyed. So frequency here is 13, and then 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 15 is 33. 33 plus 20 is 53. So that means there was a total of 53 students surveyed. Okay? And then you just check. If there's 53 students in 8A and B, good. But if there's only 52, then you have to check again. Okay? Bye-bye.